I'm gonna be honest with you. I expect you to like that. I mean, what is there not to like?
Trash, shit.
Confident. Got a great sense of humor. I'm fun. I'm the kind of person you have fun with.
If you look this good, I wonder how it tastes. If I touch your body, please make me would you whisper to me it's yours? You smell so gentle and pure. Control my senses.
Where y'all from? Alabama. Oh, okay. I never heard something good.
It's right on the Alabama line at I-20.
Y'all girl making it short, right? Y'all gonna run it short?
Your love, let me taste it. Come here, let me taste it. 3 times of the essence, baby, don't you waste it. I'll tell you what I'm thinking. You listen to my thoughts, so you can see my vision. Then you'll never get lost.
Hey, get down there, man. I watch your damn videos so much. Let me see myself on YouTube,
Okay,
man. I watch these motherfuckers so much, man. I love watching these, man.
Hey,
YouTube. Shout out to my boy.
one thing about it, yo, get what? They scared of the red shit, and then the slowest shit we got. Yo.
You smell so gentle and pure. Control my senses. Baby, oh, my senses.
I'll be a true friend, someone to believe in. I'll give you freedom, unconditional need. If tonight's our night, it's our night. Just get back to me tomorrow, alright? I'm not in the bathroom, I'm not in the front. I'm in the paper, paper, I be studying. See, to me it's nothing. Let's get into something. So I can pick you up and meet you at the telegraph.
Goddamn short running.
Girl, you smell so gentle and pure. You control